Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, my students. Today, inshallah, we have lesson 2, part 2 in Learning Club 4. We are gonna today to practice numbers from 1 to 12 and to telling time and to talk about daily routine. Do you know about daily routine? I get up, I go to school, I have lunch, I go to bed, yeah? And what's the time? It's, for example, 10 o'clock. I go to school at 6 o'clock, like this. So what's this, my students? We said this is a clock. Very good. Now, my students, look here in your class book, page number 48. Here we have 3 questions. Look here. Can you say the number up to 12? Can you say it? Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Very good. Now, my students, you look at this one. This is what? A clock. What is missing here? Yeah, hands. Yeah, very good. What else? Look here. Numbers. Very good. Can you write the numbers here? Yeah. Now you are going to listen and write the numbers. Okay? Listen. We will start from this one. From this circle. Okay, my students? Listen and write the numbers.
Learning Club 4. Recording LC 4.4. Listen and write.
1, 2,
Okay.
3,
Yeah.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Okay. So it will look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, let me put these two hands. Can you read what is the time? Who can tell me? It's 5 o'clock. Very good. Okay. Now, my students, look at question number 2. Listen, point, and say. Here we have clocks. Number 1, can you tell me what time is it? It's 10 o'clock. Very good. 5 o'clock. Very good. 8 o'clock. The last one. 9 o'clock. Very good. Now listen and check your answers.
Learning Club 4. Recording LC 4.5. Listen, point, and say. 1. What's the time? It's 10 o'clock.
Say, what's the time? It's 10 o'clock. Okay, number 2.
2. What's the time? It's 5 o'clock. 3. What's the time? It's 8 o'clock. 4. What's the time? It's 9 o'clock.
Okay, my students. Now listen and say. Here we have 2 students. What's the questions? What's the time? The answer, it's 8 o'clock. Okay, listen to them and say.
Learning Club 4. Recording LC 4.6. Listen, then say.
What's the time?
What's the time?
It's 8 o'clock.
It's 8 o'clock. Okay. Now look here. Listen and match. Who can read this sentence? Number 1. I get up at. Excellent. Number 2. I go to school at. I have lunch at. Excellent. I go to bed at. And look here to the clocks. A, who can tell me what's time? What's the time? It's 2 o'clock. Very good, huh? What's the time? It's 7 o'clock. What's the time? It's 8 o'clock. What's the time? It's 6 o'clock. Very good. Now you are going to match this sentence with the correct clock. Is it 2 o'clock? I get up at 2 o'clock, or I get up at 7 o'clock, or I get up at 8 o'clock, or I get up at 6 o'clock. Okay, listen and match.
Learning Club 4, recording LC 4.7. Listen and match. 1,
I get up at 6 o'clock.
Yeah, very good. At 6 o'clock. So this is, we'll go with number 1. Very good. Now, let's see. I go to school.
2,
I go to school at 7 o'clock.
At 7 o'clock. Where is 7 o'clock? Yeah, this one. So we will match it with number 2. Number 4. I have lunch.
3,
I have lunch at 2 o'clock.
I have lunch at 2 o'clock. Where is 2 o'clock, my students? Yeah, this one. Very good. So I have lunch at 2 o'clock. What about I go to bed?
4,
I go to bed at 8 o'clock.
I go to bed at 8 o'clock. So this one will go with this sentence. Okay? So now who can tell me the sentence with the clock? I get up at 6 o'clock. I go to school at 7 o'clock. I have lunch at 2 o'clock. I go to bed at 8 o'clock. Very good. Now read and draw the time for you. Okay? This is about you, my students, your daily routine. What time you get up? What time do you go to school? Okay, you have to draw the hands, the 2 hands of the clock. Let's do the long hand here with 12. All of you do this. Yeah, like this. Now, I get up. What time? What's the time that you get up? Yes, Asad? At 5. Very good. So you are going to draw it like this. What about you, Farah? Go to school. What time? Yes? At 6 o'clock. Okay. So you will do it like this. What about have lunch? Yes, Istabraq? At 3. Okay. You will do it like this. Go to bed. Yes, Munaf? At 8. At 9? At 9. Okay. So it will be like this. Okay, my students? Now, show what you know. Write, tick, and stick. How many days of week can you say now? Can you say 7? Yeah? Yeah, can you say the time? Yes, so make a tick. How many days of week can you say? 7? Okay, write 7 here. Can you talk about your daily routine? I have lunch at 2 o'clock. I go to bed at 9 o'clock, for example. Can you say like this? So make a tick here and bring the stars. Okay, to praise yourself here. Well done. So that's all for today, my students. Goodbye.